I'm Doyle Elder with Southwire Tools, and I'm going to introduce you to our MB750 Southwire bend station. This is a complete workstation for 1/2 inch and 3/4 EMT. It's got a lot of really nice features that I want to point out. First, it has 3 levels of conduit storage on this. It'll hold about 800 to 1,000 feet of conduit. It has a speed vise here on the back, and this vise will hold both EMT and Unistrut. I'll show you more about that. It has a workbench top. This is a good place to prefab parts. We have this material storage on the bottom for all your materials. When we move up to the bender head, it has a dual bending head that's real fast to change from one size to another. And we've got a large protractor on board, and that's going to help your crew make fast and accurate bends the first time. So I'll just get right into this and bend a conduit. So we'll take a conduit from the rack and put it on the far side of the vise. I'll bump it up till it stops. I'll mark this for a 10-inch 90. We'll go right in the bender head. I'm going to line that on the arrow. This bender has all the same marks as a hand bender, so there's nothing to learn. So we'll make our 90. Now I'm going to have to allow for spring back, and the spring back's about 5, so I'm going to bend that to 95. We'll take that out, lay it on the far side of the ruler. The front of this is a square, so I can see that that's almost exactly a 90. So once you know your spring back, that's where you're going to bend to every time. So now we'll mark this for a cut. We'll take 2 steps back. There we go. Now I can make a fast and an accurate cut. Now I know you guys use a lot of Unistrut on your jobs. You can have your strut on board and get your marks on your strut. The strut goes right in the square tube. So we can slide this in, clamp that down, and it's ready to saw, so you can make your cut and slide it out and make your cuts real fast. And you've got the workbench top here to prefab the racks. So there's really 3 things that make these bend stations stand out. The first thing is the material handling efficiency. So now your crew in the morning can load this up with a big load of conduit and Unistrut, throw their tools and a ladder on here. When they push this out to their work area where 3 or 4 guys are working, they've got enough material and enough tools to work a big part of the day, if not all day. So it saves a lot of trips back and forth to go get more conduit or more material. So that's making you a lot of money there. The second thing is the bending efficiency. If your crew can read their level and read that protractor, they're going to make fast and accurate bends every time. The third thing, and probably the most important, is safety. We're almost completely eliminating the need to bend over and up and down all day. So that's a lot less stress and strain on your crew's backs and their knees, so that's a lot safer. And then having this vise on board is going to promote a lot safer cutting. So to learn more about Southwire's innovative products, visit southwire.com.